heroes of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Quad, will be your host.
With me, Skin McMars. And Rusty Paint.
Wow! Haven't seen these guys in ages! Hey, this is a pretty big turnout.
Even after all of these years, it is exciting.
Yeah, it is, huh?
Our heroes will now join us on their pedestal.
Yeah, let's get this party started. Give it up for our heroes.
Yes, folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear, must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on Planet Bell with Ratchet, a restless tinkerer, hungry for adventure. That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warship, and the rest is intergalactic history. And the crowd goes wild! And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade. Who could forget the Flarg invasion of Kerwal? Show the crowd some of those world-class sharpshooting skills. Well, once he grabs some ammo, of course. At last, the Hall of Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the Wombat.
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
You got a sweet bounty on your head, Wombat.
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route. Oh dear.
Activating Magna Boots!
Come on, let's keep this show going. Catch a ride.
So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... oh, Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Watch out for smart muffling marauder. Oh, really brings you back to good old days. Our hero, Frequency, is the enemy. He must walk the dangerous plank of doom. There, we can glide over.
The mysteries of the Grey Clock. Again with the fighting. I had an emotional monologue prepared for this one.
More goons incoming.
Sweet bounty cat.
Take out that dropship and end this. A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh. And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Oh, pal, what? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore? Ah!
We get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Turn yourself in, Lombax!
should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Oh, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all. That one will look amazing in your...
More goons! Incoming! The Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye. Hey! What did you do?
Whoa! What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Hurry, Ratchet. Try use. Yeah, this is definitely gonna come in handy.
Train has arrived!
just need to cut through the station and catch up to Nefarious.
Release the Robobuds!
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.